Did you know washing your hands can save lives? Many germs and bacteria lurk on our hands. They can cause illnesses. Today, we teach you the proper hand washing procedure. Start by wetting your hands with clean water. Use warm or cold water, whichever is available. Next, apply soap and lather well. Rub your hands together to create a rich foam. Scrub all surfaces of your hands. Don't forget the backs of your hands and between your fingers. Continue scrubbing for at least 20 seconds. A fun trick? Sing the happy birthday song twice. Rinse your hands under clean, running water. Make sure all soap is washed away. Finally, dry your hands thoroughly using a clean towel or air dryer. Proper hand washing prevents illness. It's a simple yet effective habit. Remember, clean hands can make a world of difference. Start washing your hands properly today. Your health will thank you.